What's that for? Must be to stop the fairing rattling against it.
Hey up.
What?
He started. You started without us.
Right.
Is he allowed to do that?
Don't know.
Anyway, you're all stood on the wrong side.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'll go in.
I should be over there, you should be over here.
What?
That's my spot, just there. You're here.
No,
not there.
Come on, turn around.
Right.
Either way,
Either way.
I'm here.
Right. The good news is, I've still got some tea left.
I haven't.
Asbestos gone. Hello and welcome to DST Racing Projects. If you've not been before, you've not seen us before, I'm Dave.
Well, I'm Steve.
And that's Neil. He's the cameraman.
Got a new camera today.
He's got a GoPro. He's happy now. Anyway, so today we're gonna... Steve's gonna work on the water pump, putting the water pump back together. This water pump here, hiding. That was a fully built. As you know from the last video, or one of the videos prior, Steve stripped it down. All the bits have arrived. So we're going to put that back together. I'm going to strip down the carburetors and give them a good clean and set those up. And that's what we're going to do. So no more ado.
We'll crack on.
We're burning daylight, boys.
Okay. I've already fitted the new bearing in there, packed it with grease, and fitted a new O-ring. It will eventually go on the top there. Just going to look at this. Frog in my throat. Yes. Look at this new bearing and check it against the old one. If I can get the plastic off it. It's fighting back. Yep, exactly the same. Pack it with some grease. With Dave's new spatula.
I got a new one, yeah.
Which is purchased this weekend at the motorhome show at Peterborough.
I did. It was good fun.
He finds some strange things in places like that. No idea how he does it.
Look, Steve.
Oh.
Ugh.
There we go. Grease in that side, hopefully. With a bit of jiggery pokery, we should get it all through it. Laborious little task, but has to be done.
What the hell are them, then?
What's that, mate?
You know, that's a McCuney.
Mickey Rooney, yeah.
For McCuney, which I've had for...
Since Christ left Blackpool.
Well, since 1970 something. Because I welded that on there.
You don't fit that?
And it don't fit them. Which is weird. Now are they McCuney jets?
Those jets.
Because all the McCuney jets I bought for Benelli all fit that.
Yeah.
Which all the McCuney jets I've ever had fit on that. So I'm not sure about that. Bit weird.
Okay. So that's prepped. That's prepped. I can dismiss those because I don't need them any longer. I have that gasket, so I can dismiss that.
It's a real weird one.
And somehow I've managed to get two of these gaskets. And whether that's an error, or they're stuck together in the packaging, no idea. Or it may be that to give you the correct clearance on the impeller or something similar, I may need to. Okay, how about that then? Okay. Dave's going to wander off and do one of those.
That is really... That is a 270. I don't know what the hell jet that is. But anyway, there we go. That's the other bit I wanted out. As you can see, it's been sat for a while. All the oil and gunk is in there. So clean those out. Got that stripped down and give them a good clean.
Okay.
That's one of them things.
We'll do the same with the other surface. In the dim and distant past, when I was a lad, we didn't have this sort of stuff. We had stuff called red hematite.
It did. And blue.
That was Hylamar.
It was. Stag.
Stag, yeah.
God, that used to stink.
Red hematite was wondrous stuff, because once you'd stuck something together with it...
It never came apart.
No. Leaked, but it never came apart.
No.
This stuff apparently doesn't go hard. Okay. Make sure lovely. Okay. Just make sure the rotor turns nicely still, which it does. Now, somewhere on here was this piece. Now, I may end up putting this on wrong, but by the same token, I may not. What I'm going to do is clamp it up first and see, make sure that everything seats where it should be. Yeah, I've got a feeling that goes like that.
So what I'm going to do is strip this carby all the way down. I've just done one. Give it a good clean out. I say it's been sat for a while. But around about a couple of years or something, wasn't it, Steve?
Probably, yeah.
Maybe a bit longer than that. So everything has to be... We'll strip it all the way down, clean it all, put it all back together and have a right good look at it. It's always good to start off with something that's clean and not going to cause you any problems when we try and start it, when we get around to starting it.
Yeah, that looks a treat, Dave.
Hey? Looks a treat? Looks a tree?
Works a treat.
Oh, works a treat. Look at that. Proper job.
Actually, what I might do is loosely leave that on there.
Leave it on?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might be an idea. That way at least I know where it is.
Left-hand carb. As you can see, it's not the best, but I mean that's just oil, and that's the same.
Oh, you got some.
Get everything stripped down now. You see them? It's not mucky, it's just old oil and petrol. I'll give that a good blowout now. All nicely finished off, all clean, all ready to be put back on the bike. Happy days. Job done. Carburetors are clean. We've just started, Steve's finished off the pump. The O-rings there ready to go back in when we're ready. We just started cleaning the cases now because they were all gummed up and horrible. So we're just getting things ready and clean for next Tuesday. So I'd like to say thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, what's he forgetting? What are you forgetting? Like and subscribe and bloody hit the bell. And we'll see you again when?
Soon.